All 8 bays are open.
Let him come!
How many through? 80. Hold the spacing, don't let them bunch.
Wait. What have you got? 912 on the tag. Get the supervisor over here. Show me. 1 out of the line. Lane 2 on his own.
Final count?
112 inch.
1 separated.
Noted against the vet bay.
Bay 3 clear. 6 clear. All 8, take them out.
Just let him stand.
2 minutes, they're clearing frame 2 for me.
Main group's running through lane 2, we're halfway.
This is the one from the walkway?
That's him. Frame 4, take your time.
Frame 4, rails closed. 912 on the plate, that's him.
Full body pass, head to tail. 90 seconds on this one.
Respiration 26.
Temperature 38.5.
Musculoskeletal clear on.
12 meters, watch the near side.
4 out of 4 clean.
Hold it right there.
2 millimeters deep and it runs the whole flank. That's not damage, that's structure.
Put it up on the main screen. Grain density like that is 1 in 400. Log it. Separate handling from here on.
111 cleared, 1 on separate handling.
Wash bay, first group coming through to you.
Lanes 1 and 2, fill them up.
3 stays empty, except him.
18 bar on the overheads. Bring the sidearms in a touch on 3.
Drop it to 40 on the flank.
Coming down to 40 now.
Get under the belly and behind the knee.
He's clean. Send him to the tunnel.
Blowers at 70.
90 seconds and he's through.
All 112 through the wash. Open the feed hall. Keep him on the end line.
4 lines, spread them out.
End line for the flagged one, on his own.
8.4 ahead.
Line 3 is filling now.
Two on line 1 are slow. Mark them. We'll watch them at rest.
12 liters a minute across all 4.
Flo's holding. He's eating well.
Separate ration logged, 8.4, same as the rest.
Feed window closed.
Rest wings ready, move them through.
Group pens first, spread them out.
Leave pen 1 empty, that's for the flagged one.
Take it to 15 deep. 22 kilos a pen, same as last night. Rest mode, 30%. Night crew's on at 6. Pen 1, settled.
48 hours, then preparation.
That's the hold. See you at 6.
Hull 5, 12 on the tables.
Start the line whenever you're ready.
Flat and square before you measure.
Table 4 is ready.
Full grain. Nothing corrected on this batch.
122 across. Log it and move it on.
Surface mapped.
0 defects on this one.
2 millimeters deep, runs the whole side. Pattern like that rarely survives the drum.
We'll see.
Batch of 11 on this cart. Keep that one on its own.
12 into manufacturing. Flagged ones leading.
Drum 1 is open. Feed all 12 straight in.
40 rotations a minute.
Seals are good on all 3.
6 degrees at the mouth. Watch the second one through. Clamps holding on all 12.
Second one's tracking clean.
90 degrees, 3 passes each. That's the flagged one coming out now. "14 panels off this one. Check the grain direction before you stack.
8 stitches to the inch on all of them.
Keep the seam even through the corner.
That's the body closed. That's the one with a pattern. Take it through to inspection.
12 on the table.
Full check on every one, nothing skipped.
Zip, buckle, 16 seams, hardware. Yeah. Anything you're unsure of, set it aside and call me.
Zips clean both ways. 15-inch, 12 millimeters clearance.
Come and look at this one. 3 out, reject it. Straight back to stitching.
Grade A.
Grade A.
11 to go, log them as they come.
They said it wouldn't survive the drum.
It didn't just survive. Look how deep it's gone.
11 approved, 1 rejected.
2 tags on that one. It's going to the archive.
Tissue, dust bag, box, label. Same order every time, no shortcuts.
Turn it once more under the light. That's the one from intake.
That's 11 boxed. The archive one stays out, don't seal it.
Scanned and on. Square it before you take it out.
Manifest is clear, 11 on. Take it through, take it through. Bring it round to 1. Straight in, you've got 2 feet each side.
Strap the back row first. That's position 1 full. Count them again for me.
11 on, 1 held back.
That matches. Close it up. Sealed. Signed off. You're clear to go. 1 held back.